Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 8:45 in the morning right now, which is super early for me and definitely not used to that anymore, but I want to have a productive day, so hi. Today is the 14th of April, which means it's a year since I met Shawn Mendes in Dublin. Sad times. I'm gonna start my day by tidying up my room and getting my bed sheets off because I did a decluttering video like last week. Oh my god. But this week was so like messy that I just couldn't keep up with my room. But it's like a mess that you can easily clean fast. So that's what we're gonna do. Cleaning and it actually is really clean, and I want to try and do this like every day so that I can either start my day with cleaning my room, but I think I'd rather do it at night so that I can wake up and my room is already clean. Yes, I don't know, but it's clean now, so we're good. I'm gonna go make breakfast now and iced coffee, obviously. I'm gonna make banana pancakes, and before we do that, I just wanted to mention I am such a loser when it comes to baking, cooking, anything in the kitchen. So don't judge me, but this is something I can actually make. I've made it once before, but it's actually really easy and it tastes good, so I'm gonna make that and then eat it, and then I have a lot of things to do. To like go through my day a little bit so you know what's going on. First, I have a lot of school related things to do because I've kind of been lacking doing schoolwork recently, and I found out that I have 2 deadlines next week and I have no idea what the subjects are about, so that's gonna be interesting. I think I'm gonna have to figure out what the subjects are about today, because then I can actually maybe start doing it. Then I also have a lot of YouTube related things. I'm talking nonsense, so I'm just gonna make my breakfast now. My outfit today is not that interesting. I have no idea where these sweats are from, and my shirt is from Lipsona. Also, I don't think I can really talk to you guys when I like make my breakfast because my dad is working downstairs and he's probably having a meeting, because he has meetings and like calls with his colleagues literally every morning. So yeah, just so you know. Het is een beetje knipperig licht. Maar ik weet niet waar dat aan ligt. Ik weet niet waar het aan ligt. Ja, klopt. Het licht knippert al niet meer.
I couldn't stay, take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here?
Yeah!
Will you still be here? What if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't walk away. What if I showed you this love could be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day.
I'm going to write in my planner for like the things I have to do today. I have been trying to use the planner more, but if it's been really working, I don't know yet. I also have my coffee Yeah. Also, the pancakes were actually like really good. I liked them a lot more than the last time I made them. The process of making them wasn't as smooth, but they tasted really good. So I really want to film something else today, but I just don't know what I want to film. I think I will just film one video, because even if I get like a good idea today, I still have to write it out and everything, and I don't want to like rush it. So I'm filming a most likely to tag with Ailey today. I'm gonna text her and ask her what time she wants to do it. Okay. I don't know if I want to show you. Okay, I can show you this. So basically how I've been like trying to use it is just write down things. Here I have like basic things and assignments and everything, and then here I made like this thing that tells you what it is. It's in Dutch, by the way, because I'm Dutch. But blue is uploading, then pink is filming, and then purple is editing. This video I just need to do the finishing touches, and this I still need to edit like almost everything, so I'm gonna be really busy with that today. And then this one I want to film. And I'm also, if you have seen my collect moments not things video, I really loved creating that video. I was really happy with the end result and everything, so I really wanted to make like a video kind of similar to that. So I came up with kind of an idea, and I'm really happy with it so far. I only have like the start, but the song fits really good and it's very cute. And yeah, I don't want to give any spoilers or talk about it too much, so stay tuned. But just so you know, it's in the works. That's kind of what I'm working on. And I also have a class. Well, it's not really a class. It's like this meeting thing with school where they give information about like graduation. Even though I'm graduating in like 2 years. But it has like information on like graduation or something. But that's at 11:45 and it's currently 10 a.m. I don't know if that will be interesting, but I think I'm just gonna put it on and then just do some work in the meanwhile and see if there's things that I need to know. So I was going through like my analytics for a second, and honestly my videos have been doing like a bit better recently, and I've been gaining a lot of subscribers. My mom's texting me how to do laundry. Great. Anyway, my videos are doing like a bit better, and I've been gaining a lot of new subscribers, which I'm really happy with. And I don't know, it just really makes me happy because lately I've been like so motivated for YouTube. That makes me very happy. And the Netflix video currently has 17,000 views, and I usually get like 1,000 views, maybe if I'm lucky 2,000, so that is insane. But yeah, I want to do my nails right now because, okay, so basically this is all my nail stuff, and I barely ever do my nails, but I recently got this LED lamp. If it's called like that in English, I have no idea. I got all of this from an app called AliExpress, and I have no idea if it's international or if it's like a Dutch thing. A few days ago I got these new colors, and I think I'm gonna do the green one. This one. This is like pastel greenish, and then this is the blue one, cute color, and then this is a red one. Yeah, but I'm gonna use the green one because, that's really cute. Then you need the base, which is like a primer, and then you need a top coat to like finish it with. Then you obviously need the lamp. Okay, so I'm finished. This is what they look like. I think the color is really cute. Like, I'll show you like this. I'm honestly not that good at this, but I think they look really cute. Now I'm going to film the video with Ailey. Okay, how am I supposed to do this? This would definitely be too low. I think I'm gonna get everything out of this and put my laptop on that so it'd be higher. This is better. I kind of want to sit on that side because this is my better side. I'm actually gonna do that. I don't care. It's my video. This honestly feels like I'm like redecorating my room. I'm just gonna film the video. I will talk to you guys later about how this went.
Sorry, do you have my permission to film me?
Yes.
I'm frozen.
Hello everybody. I just finished calling with Ailey. We filmed the most likely to tag and I'm honestly so curious how like what it's gonna be like and everything. I want to try and get it up tomorrow, but that would mean I have to edit like a lot tonight and tomorrow like morning, but I do want to try. So I am gonna go have lunch now, or like lunch. I think I'm just gonna have some fruit. 2:30. Then I'm gonna eat some bananas and strawberries and then probably just start editing. It is a lot later now. It's 7 p.m. and basically all afternoon I was editing the video that I'm gonna get up tomorrow, and I actually got really far. I'm like almost finished. And I also just got a package with these two earrings in it, and I literally ordered this like 3 months ago and I didn't think they would still come, but they're here. These are also from AliExpress, which is like the app I mentioned before. The first one is this like bee, which I thought was gonna be cute, and then I have these like lightnings and I just thought that would also be cute. I also recently got these new, which are basically like the same earrings as these, but then this is a star and on the other side it is a moon. I kind of like it. I wouldn't really combine it with these because these are like both quite like big, which I wouldn't really do, but I do think they're very cute. This is the bee and then this is the lighting. Yeah. Okay, so basically now they're like all the sports are canceled for now. I don't have handball, so I wanted to do like at-home workouts, and like I started kind of doing that, like just do like random workouts and everything, but I didn't feel like that was really working for me because afterwards I was kind of tired, but not like that tired. Oh my god, my camera just like froze, and for a second I really thought that it was broken. Okay, I'm back. So what I was saying, those like random workouts and everything wasn't really working. So then I saw that literally everyone was doing the Chloe Ting workout programs. She is like a YouTuber and she has these free workout programs, so if you want to like know more about that, honestly just either go to her YouTube, which is just Chloe Ting, or Google her and you'll find it. So since everyone was doing that, I figured that I could do that as well, because first of all it makes me kind of like feel like I have like a rhythm in the workout, because then I know what I have to do every day and like I don't have to come up with it myself. And I've seen like a lot of people talk about how good they are and how much they like actually work and that they actually give you results and everything. So I was just like, I can just try it. And I started yesterday, so today is day 2, and yesterday was very rough. Yeah, the workout was really hard, but then I asked other people about it because like I said, everyone is doing it. I was like, is this supposed to be this hard? Because then I don't know if I'll be able to keep up. And they were like, yeah, the beginning is really hard, it will like get easier on like day 5. And I was like, day 5. So first I need to do the 2 videos that I also had to do yesterday, and then there's this other video called 11 line ab. This one is optional, but I can always try it if I can do it. I don't know if I can because the first 2 were like intense. I think I'm gonna do that now so then I can shower, and then it will be like 8 p.m. and then I can still like edit. So I'm gonna go do that workout now, and I'm not gonna film it because honestly I'm just not gonna do that. So I'm gonna go do the workout, then shower, and then I'm gonna edit for the rest of the night. And I'm actually really happy that I got so far with the video with Ailey, because now I can export and upload that, and then I still have time tonight to edit the video that I'm really excited for. So yay. I need to stop talking about how excited I am for the video, just in case it like is not as good as I hope it's gonna be. Oh my god, I don't know how people do these workouts so easily. These are so hard, but I did do it. And I also did the third workout because I was just like, I'm already doing it, so I might as well just do it, even though it was optional. She wouldn't put it into the program if it wasn't like good. So no, I'm tired, so I'm gonna finish my water, then hop into the shower, and then start editing. Oh my god, I really hope these workouts get easier because I'm literally like dying. It's now 9 p.m. and I've showered, and then I just chilled for a little bit, and now I just made my bed because my sheets were still in the drying machine. Then I actually tidied up my room because I really want to make that a habit to do it like at night, so that when you wake up you don't have to like worry about cleaning your room. And now I'm gonna edit for a little bit and also upload my video for tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So I'm gonna end this video here. My eyes look so blue right now, it's kind of creepy. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Also let me know if you want me to do more vlogs and like what type of vlogs. Bye.